Meden chef you nyame ho ebre o mejidi yese nyame adom bibi ekoso kama nyame hira se de bia wo gemme na wo hwe me meden di adwoa mensa enenso nyame abie kwan ma si ni nkita ho ene ba behwe asem bi wo Joshua chapter 24 verse 14 and 15 Joshua ngoma eti aduonu enai tichemudu 9 eni edunu no bacho yenti de wo na yini nkomo osi na afa mu nsuro awurade na monsom no mudie ene nokre mu na mompa anyame a mojanom esom wo asuja ene Misraim no na monsom awurade na se nya wo mani so sam besom awurade a ene enemunyi de mo besom no emfa se anyame a mojanom esom ye a wo asuja no se amorifo a mote won asase esuwo yi anyame yo na menemi fie die the besom awurade achoyenhwe English no now fear the Lord and serve him with all faithfulness. Throw away the gods your ancestors worshipped beyond the Euphrates River and in Egypt and serve the Lord. But if serving the Lord seems undesirable to you, then choose for yourselves this day whom you will serve, whether the gods your ancestors served beyond the Euphrates or the gods of the Amorites, in whose land you are living. But as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. And then maybe I have my option. And if yes, I will know obi so be so when you baby. And he ubesum yami and our son. One son yami now besum one and another. Ubi say and no small bosom tea and one obesum. And also unyami on foresee you. And when young coupon equi ye Israel for free Misraim assassin so. And kwasoma no ahochire oyi wo mfimu himpa na abosom wo that time no Israel Egypt abosom ahodo ene ekom ne chanting ne ma oyi wo fi wo nyina nsam wode ma bedru ebo hyasa so eye Joshua ne dimoni so de bia bibi kitobe na munwini eyi no nyame eyi wo fi bra a wo hwe me sister hino nyame eyi wo friye na wachi enye enkonson bi ahokyere enkoasom ene ma nkoye wachi wo fri ma na hwe wo ayefo bi ho a sister yi ho ayefo bra nyame asiesie nso atora no adwen ye wo ntanta aname nko kakra aname nyese ena de yi de obeyi na me amete ha de me ni fiefo e besom Yehowa sana Joshua kachire wo mo osimunyi de mu beyi na monso nyame e wo nokre mu sa nyame na obefa na waye no nokre mu na waye ne yiu biara nyame som na de say imu ni ho esa wo kra wo save life wo save time wona ba kusi ha ena ba kusi ha wo ye we kakra no waye we kakra ene yi de obeyi se wo yi ba ko na afiwi ase abeka nyame ho it's your choice se wo yi nyame ho de no so akowi ase no so ye na yini ye na de bia ye na ye ni ye unye munchira unye munnepa na ye de ye besu Yehowa se sanketere na wo besi dia ene ehun betu asroche pepo o hawo ni amane epepa na so behun se unyame no da obeko mu se da ubedi nkunim emre ni wo se epe di sa agoro no ti enne woni wo fie fo besu Yehowa monsom no na som no ye obeka sister nya easy o nyame ebeka wo ho enya easy ba o ka wo ho o se onya ye no mpa ye nda biarada Shadrach, Meshach na Abednego ye de mo ko to he ejafunu oja wo mo debi na senke woja mo hye kra na nkom kra enyira isanso mo china wo ye wa agidifo bi mo china ho e ma nokre but Stephen yesi na po ba na mi bie na ni mani hu abofo ni ba bi a woko nti ya ha no nti ya beka se agidi ni bi ewu agidifo no na agidifo ewu because the Bible made us say, "Who I am for so the mind." This is Yami. I knew who he who crana and Chessa was Sankosafa. So what's now one of crema? And now some is soon Yamina did not cray. Christosuma also did not cray. And I don't know those. I do so. Now will you know you now there be soon you there be. Who did not cry and no better. And when I miss so will be prepared with me and dear man. Yami a shall be brave. And now some near Titia, see as a Christian in the quine or crema anyhow. Or being quite an changes one on so. This episode corners so dear none to one or cray anything in you. Now be 1 year. So when you be about on the Go World program, no so. Now you have one more set to be acknowledged to you, Yamwa, for number enough for man. Now say, me dad a jama mwami. Now you have one him. Yami show. That's an A B Sanshia. I don't need a Amen.